Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another what I eat in a day video. Thank you so much for continuing to log on and join me for fantastic days of food, and today is no exception. So I got up this morning and for some reason I was ravenous. I was so hungry, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to indulge in it. The whole family is home, so I'm going to whip up a nice family breakfast. So I'll insert that now. I've also just weighed out 4 pints worth of bacon, which is 68 grams, and that's with the rind on.
I've got you under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me.
So this breakfast, or brunch if you will, comes to a grand total of 8 pints, which I think you'll agree is epic. I'm going to go and enjoy this with a cup of tea, but I thought I would just show you the end result, and it looks delicious. I'm going to be hard pressed to eat all of this, but I'm going to give it a jolly good go. And it was just such a treat. It's such a nice way to start the day. Normally I would have things like this as a treat, or I'd have it like as a weekend brunch or something like that, but I fancied it. It was a Wednesday and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go for it. So I really enjoyed that. But now it's lunchtime and I am hungry, surprisingly. I don't know what's going on, but my appetite is quite strong. And I don't want to go all the way to dinner and not have anything apart from snacking. So I am going to eat and I'm going to whip up a soup, which is going to be very simple. You guys have seen me make soups before. So the thing I'm going to do now is check my fridge, see what veg he's eating, and get loads of it chopped and in the oven to roast. And then for dinner tonight, I'm not too sure. We might have burritos, we might have homemade burgers, meatballs. I took mincemeat out, so it'll be something mince related. But I hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to see these every other day. And let's go with it.
So deep in my heart, you're really a part of me. I've got you under my skin. I tried so not to give in. I said to myself, this affair never will go so well. But why should I try to resist when, baby, I know so well I've got you under my skin. I'd sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of a warning voice that comes in the night and repeats in my ear. Don't you know, little fool?
It's that time of the day, guys. It's dinner time and I'm making a beef keema dansak, which I've never done before, but it doesn't look too complicated. This is only 2 pints per serving for the curry, but of course you'd need to factor in rice or chips or whatever you decide to have it with. We've not decided yet. I want to whip up the sauce first. So I have 500 grams of lean steak mince here, a nice large onion which I've chopped, some chopped tomatoes, a spice blend that I'll pop in the description box down below, some beef stock, the juice of a full lemon or a lime, you can use lime if you have it, 100 grams of red lentils. I also have 100 grams of washed spinach as well. So basically this is just a kind of very simple assembly when it comes to a curry. Get everything in, get it all cooked, add the stock, add the lentils, and let it all kind of come together. Again, it's 2 points because I've worked out on the WW app for you guys, but you do need to factor in whatever accompaniments that you do have. So as I've already chopped everything, I'm going to get the onions softening, and then we will add our spice blend and our meats, and it's going to be delicious, I hope.
You never can win. Use your mentality. Wake up to reality. But each time that I do, just the thought of you makes me stop before I give in. 'Cause I've got you under my skin. I would sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of a warning voice that comes in the night and repeats how he yells in my ear. Don't you, little fool, you never can win. Use your mentality. Wake up to I've got you under my skin. Yes, I've got you under my skin. So deep in my heart, you're really a part of me. I've got you under my skin. I tried so.
And there you have it. What a fantastic day of food, guys. That breakfast followed by the soup and then that beef dansak, which was incredible. I had it last night. It's the next day, in case you're wondering, but it was so good. I actually have leftovers ready for today, which I'm very excited about. I'm thinking about spreading them on a flatbread. I think that would be a really good idea as a filling for a lot of different things, like jacket potatoes, with rice, with chips, on flatbread. It's just going to be an amazing one for your archives. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching today. I'll put all the point values, all the recipes in the description box down below, as well as what I was wearing, homewares, all that good stuff, and of course my playlist for other what I eat in a day, because as you guys know, I post these every other day. So give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe if you're new, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Use your mentality. Wake up.